Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Danielle. Welcome, and today's video is a styling video. I'm so excited to get back into my styling videos and fashion content. I've just been super inspired with this fall weather, and we're going to be talking about styling a tissue turtleneck as I'm wearing. So if you're into fashion, faith, and femininity, this channel is for you as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there and turn on the post notifications so you guys know when I upload. As well, follow me at Alexis. That's where you guys can see my daily outfits and chit chat with me when I'm not here on YouTube. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. But this is the second way to style our tissue turtleneck, which I love. This is probably one of my favorite outfits, especially for that holiday season, for Thanksgiving, Christmas parties, just because of this red sweater. I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and chat. So obviously turtleneck is from J.CREW, and then this is a sweatshirt. This is a crew neck. It is a blend of cashmere. It is from J.CREW factory, and then the statement necklace is from J.CREW as well, so we love that. And then my earrings as well, the same earrings from earlier, are my diamond earrings that my grandpa got me. And then moving down to our pants, same pants from earlier. I just think it looks really nice and crisp and clean and classic with the dark denim. Dark denim is a go-to always of mine, so we love that. And then you can kind of decide what kind of shoes you want to pair with this outfit. I don't think it really makes such a big difference, but I just paired these with my loafers from J.CREW. Love it, super cute. Or you could even wear your boots, but honestly I think this is pretty cute with the loafer. I adore this outfit so much and I'm super comfortable. So this is the next outfit. I love it. Girly and preppy all at the same time. Really feminine and girly, just different ways that you can play with these preppy basics and just make them really preppy, or add a little bit of femininity into your wardrobe. So let's go ahead and chat. Again, we have the tissue turtleneck, and then I layered it with this super cute cotton candy cashmere sweater from J.CREW, and then I have a J.CREW look-alike herringbone vest from Etsy. It was about $45. I will try to link again everything down below. And then I just paired it once again with my J.CREW necklace, which I love. And then I kept my hair the same. I just really liked it. My hair is out of my face and it just still really girly and feminine. I still kept the earrings the same. The earrings are always gonna be the same. And then I paired it with my gold watch. As you can see, I've had it for a while, for about maybe 2-3 years now. It's just a gold watch with little diamond rhinestones. I'm still wearing my pants from Target. I went ahead and paired this outfit with my Tory Burch riding boots. Super cute. These are a bit longer than your average riding boot just because they hit right above, like in the middle of my knee right here. If you guys can invest in a cashmere sweater, you guys know that that is a big staple in my wardrobe. I love this, and I was actually wearing this one yesterday, this cashmere sweater. It kept me so warm. It was so chilly out yesterday, and I love it. Totally recommend. Alright kitties, so we are at the last outfit. This is, I kind of just threw this together. I was like, I need one more outfit, and I'm actually pretty surprised. I don't know if this is cute or not, so yeah, we'll see. So you guys still see the tissue turtleneck, obviously, because this is what this video is, but I kept the statement necklace on, and then I paired it with a white blazer. I know that it's fall time and like some of us are not wearing white anymore, but I thought this was really cute. And then I paired it with my Tory Burch riding boots. Like, I actually really like this outfit. Like, it's cute, it's different. I wouldn't necessarily would have thought to pair this, but let's chat about outfit details. The tissue turtleneck is J.CREW. This blazer that is white is from J.CREW Factory. Love it. And it is in size extra small. If not, it will be down in the description down below with the sizing extra small or extra small. But I love it. So cute. And let's see what it looks like buttoned up. And this is it buttoned up, which I like. I actually really like. And then I just have my riding boots. My Tory Burch riding boots. And then my dark denim from Target. So I love it. Then I just kept my hair the same. Alright kitties, so we are at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this styling video. I had so much fun filming this for you guys as well. Leave comments down below and tell me what outfit was your favorite and how you style your tissue turtlenecks. And as well, if you didn't and you enjoyed this content, hit that subscribe button and be a part of our family. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!